Hello, I'm Stuart, this is Upcycle TV. We're going to build this fantastic wall out of reclaimed wood. So we've got loads and loads of old timbers and bits of wood that we've taken out from the old building. Some of it's painted, we've also got some pallet wood and some other sort of bits of work, all sorts of bits of wood. We're going to cut them all down to the same length, the same height, and then all different lengths and all different sizes and different thicknesses as well. So, and then it's going to go right across here, right way up to where you can sort of see in the line of the site on the video. So we're going to end up down that little bit of white wall. First thing I'm going to do, I've got some CLS here, so I'm just going to batten up some CLS, about 600mm apart. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're going with, this is an upcycled wall, you know, it's not going to be perfect. I'm probably going to return it on the wall here on the left hand side as well, but I haven't 100% decided yet. But it's definitely coming along here, so I'm going to get cracking. The first thing I need to do is take off some tile, like a tile surround along the floor, get rid of that. Then first CLS up, and then we're just going to work this way with the 600mm gaps. Got one long length of CLS just to run along the bottom, just to make sure we got the level. Right, so we've got a whole scrap load of wood here. This was actually going to be thrown out. We put it outside, ready for someone to collect for free firewood, but no one had taken it yet. And then the idea came to use all these different types of wood. We've got bits like this, the old 4x2. Old timber with all the old paint on and stuff, to just really mix it up and have a bit of everything in there. Hopefully it's going to look really fantastic. Can't wait to get started on it.
Secure your digital holiday with a £75,000 deposit.
The pallet wall's going amazing now. I'm really happy with it. You can see in the picture here, you've got a whole mix of different ranges of the colours and the depth. I think it's going to look really cool when the bench is in place. Yeah, I'm really pleased with it. Hard work, a lot harder than I thought it was going to be, which is why I've decided to not do this side because it's just too much. I haven't got enough wood and I don't really want to be but I haven't really got time to be going around collecting more scrap wood. So on this side, I'm going to put all the tools on this side. I'm going to make a nice wall for tool display. So I'm going to use some, I'll probably use some OSB, because I've got some OSB sheets here, so I'm going to put that on that wall. Then I can basically screw whatever I want over that entire wall to hang all bits and bobs and things that I've been using directly for my bench. So that's that sorted, and then the main shot, which is what you see now, will be the pallet wall behind me. And bear in mind, when the bench is here, you're only going to see this bit anyway. So, but yeah, I'm really pleased with it. Just got to keep cracking on now and get it finished. Absolutely delighted with the end result, all finished, well happy with it. As you can see, it's I've done all different mixes of woods in there. Yeah, I'm really pleased with the total result of it. What I really like about it is all this wood, every single piece of wood that's here has come from the building that was existing, which was an old Chinese takeaway. So as I converted it into my workshop, we've taken out walls, and we've taken up floors and all sorts of stuff, window frames, and all bits and pieces from that have gone into this. And it just, you know it's like a little bit of history, a little bit of character. This blue that you can see picked out is, it actually finishes it, I think it sets it off really nice, but that blue is actually from all the window and door frames from the external wall that actually sat here, that came out, and I just think it works really well. Actually reminds me a lot of a beach cabin or something like that that's been there and aged over the years, but yeah, I'm really pleased with it. On to the next project now, which is going to be over here. Is going to be a polished OSB wall that I'm going to put all my tools on. So looking forward to doing that. Thanks for watching Upcycle TV.